there. So today I'm going to be making a video on how to use the Natural Museum of Natural History's virtual tour feature. This is a really cool thing that came out of COVID, was that a lot of museums have made virtual tours of their museums. And they're really fun and a cool way to see things that you might not be able to see as a class or with your students. So yeah, I'm going to be walking you through. There's a couple cool features and different things about it. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that and all of the good stuff. So our learning target today is I can use and explore the exhibits at the Natural Museum of Natural History. So first things first, we're going to go to this link. So this will take you to the Smithsonian website. And this is for their Natural Museum of Natural History exhibits for their virtual tours. So that's the page it brings you to. One of the cool things about this is that you don't have to create an account with them. You can just use it totally for free. So yeah, it's pretty easy and simple to use. So they have a bunch of different things. So they have their permanent exhibits that you can look at, their current exhibits, past exhibits, their museum support center and research stations, a few other Smithsonian tours, and then narrated tours as well. So first things first, I'm going to click on this one that says permanent exhibits. So you just click on it and it'll immediately take you here. So this behind this thing is what the museum actually looks like. And then this shows you just a map. So you can use that. Honestly, I like to just exit out of it so you can see more. So this is if you were to walk into this part of the museum, this would be the first thing you would see. You can see over there are the front doors. And then this would be your information desk, all that good stuff. And we got the big old elephant. So this is one way to navigate the virtual tours. And basically all you do is you click on these. If you hover your mouse over these arrows, they'll tell you what the different halls you're entering are, or it'll tell you that you're going north or south. So let's go into the mammal hall. So you click on that and it'll pull you in here. And then just to look around, you just pull on your screen. And yeah, you can see all of the different exhibits. And then if you want to read about the exhibits, you can use this plus button here to zone in. And then you can read stuff. And then when you're done with that, you can go out. You can also there's a feature here. If you click on these 4 squares together, it'll raise you up. It'll bring you to specific exhibits. Yeah, and then you can look around this way as well. So that's just if you want to just kind of explore the museum and just kind of look around in that way. If you want to go to specific exhibits, you can go over here to current exhibits and click on it. And then you can scroll down and it actually gives you a list of all the different things or different exhibits that they have right now. So let's see, maybe we want to see Butterflies 1. You can click on that, get rid of that ad, get rid of this, and yeah, and then you can look around at this specific butterfly exhibit. And again, you can zoom in on stuff like this. We can look closely, this orchid bee, stuff like that. The really cool thing with this feature or with this virtual tour is you can also see past exhibits. So if there are exhibits that have happened in the past that are no longer there, you still have access to seeing them, which I think is pretty cool. The last thing that I want to show you is this feature, the narrated tours. If you click on that, this is actually really cool. They've made a bunch of videos about different exhibits. And so there's someone narrating and walking you through it. So this would also be a great thing to use if you want your students to look at a specific type of exhibit or that you want them to get certain information out of their look around. So yeah, that's the Natural Museum of Natural History's virtual tours. There are so many other of these virtual tours for art museums. You can go to the Louvre, you can go to like all of the main ones in Europe have them. Obviously the Smithsonian has one. So yeah, it's a pretty cool feature. It's pretty fun to just explore around. And yeah, that's how you use it. Pretty easy, pretty simple, fun stuff. Have a great rest of your day.